how to generate AI backgrounds for any image or photograph in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate AI backgrounds, that means backgrounds according to your creativity using artificial intelligence in Canva. So before starting the video, I want to make sure that this particular feature is a Canva Pro feature. So that means you will need or you will require to have a Canva premium subscription in order to use this particular feature. So once you are okay with that, let us start how to do this. So currently you can see that I have this blank canvas right here, and in this I'm gonna add a photo. So let me click onto this elements tab and add any photo with a good background and subject. So for example, let's say this photograph right here. So let me simply right click on it and click the set image as background so that it appears more better. Now, in order to add an AI background into this particular image, what I will need to do is simply click onto this image and then I need to click onto this edit button on this toolbar. Now from here, click onto this edit button, and from here you can see under the Magic Studio, this says BG generator or background generator. So simply click onto this background generator option, and now here you need to describe a new background. So the better your prompt will be, the more better your output image will be. So you can also click onto this inspire me button as well, so that it could give you some random hints like it has given right now, or you can also click onto this again so that it keeps on changing. So let me add any prompt like this one that says a leafy lush jungle with a canopy that filters depth sunlight onto the forest floor. So once you have given a prompt like this, you can click onto this generate button, and here you can see that the AI has started its work of detecting the background, and once it will successfully detect the background, it will attempt to imply all of the prompts into the background, and here you can see the result, which is appearing very beautifully and as we have described in the prompt. Also, there are four variants of the same. So this is the first variant, this is the second variant, this is the third variant, and this is the fourth variant. So depending upon your type, you can choose any variant, and then once you are done with that, you can click onto this done button. So that's how easily you can create an AI background for any particular image in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. So ask them in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.